What? Oh no, voice, come back to me. Wow. Good morning, afternoon, evening, Excuse me. Oh my goodness. I got so excited talking to you guys. I thought my voice was back. Oh boy. I sound terrible? I'm feeling okay, don't worry. I sound terrible, but I'm okay. I usually just sound worse than usual. Voice Tako. Voice still has not come back from being isekai'd, apparently. Am I okay? I'm okay. I just sound very nasally because my nose is plugged. I mean, I used one of those spray things that's supposed to make your nose unplugged, but turns out, you know, doesn't really help when my nasal passages are swollen. So my nose is plugged anyways! Yay! Eating while coughing might end up in a disaster, but you know what? This is a risk I'm willing to take. Hold on. Mama sent me a message. She's just happy. I'll see her soon. Excuse me. Yeah. Yeah, Mama is like, when are you streaming, Ina? Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. I sound terrible, but I'm okay.